Home Minister Amit Shah has said that it is not possible to impose a nationwide lockdown in India, even if the country's COVID positivity rate and death toll rise day by day. We had 3 months ago allowed states to decide their own curbs. Now such measures will have to be taken at states level as the situation is different in different states. It is better for states to decide their own restrictions. The centre has put in place the necessary infrastructure to deal with COVID-19 following last year's national lockdown, Shah said, discounting the possibility of imposing a national lockdown. He denied the criticism that the centre had turned complacent after having tackled the first wave, and as a result, people were having to deal with shortages of medicines and oxygen cylinders. He pointed to the global experience to argue wherever there has been a second wave or third wave, each new wave has been at least twice the size of the earlier one. The new variant of the virus spreads quicker. It is less lethal but spreads faster. Shah further said scientists were studying new mutants and would soon have a fix on them. The speed at which the virus is spreading today is certainly problematic, but I have full faith that we'll win the second fight against the pandemic, he added. He also highlighted that most of the worst affected states were those which had large diaspora populations. Punjab, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Kerala, Delhi, it is these states which have a larger international travel, he said. On the possibility of a lockdown, Shah said it was for states to decide. For the last 3 months, we have allowed states to impose restrictions as per their analysis. Every state is fighting a different battle. Evaluation will have to be done by state governments, and they have the right to impose restrictions. It is up to states to decide what needs to be done to curb the spread. If the situation is normal in Assam, even after the elections, what is the need to impose lockdown there? He said. When asked about political parties carrying on with their campaign amid surging infections, the minister said the issue fell within the jurisdiction of the Election Commission. The EC spoke with all parties and it was decided to reduce campaigning by one day and to finish the day's campaign by 7 p.m. Political parties were urged to provide masks and sanitizers at rallies, and my party has, starting with the PM's rally on April 17, provided 5 crore masks. But what is to be done about an election, which is underway, can only be decided by the EC, he said. Meanwhile, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman informed trade unions that there will be no nationwide lockdown to curb the second wave of the virus. She also said that public transport facilities will not be halted as there is no nationwide lockdown. News Desk Kaumudy, English.